drowning in spreadsheets, or soaring with streamlined workflows? Let's break down Smartsheet versus Excel to help you choose the right data champion. First, Excel, the OG of data management. Its strength lies in powerful calculations, in-depth data analysis, and customizable formulas. Think pivot tables, statistical analysis, and complex financial modeling. Here's how it works. Select your data, insert, then choose Pivotable. Drag and drop fields to analyze your data from different angles. It is perfect for number crunchers. Now, Smartsheet, a cloud-based work management platform. It shines in project management, collaboration, and automating workflows. See here, it is easy to assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and establish dependencies. Just click and drag to link tasks. This ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and how tasks relate to each other. Excel allows shared workbooks, but Smartsheet elevates collaboration with real-time updates, automated notifications, and built-in discussion threads. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other apps like Slack and Microsoft Teams. You can automate alerts to your team's Slack channel whenever a task is updated. This keeps everyone informed without endless email chains. So, which one wins? Excel, your go-to for individual data deep dives. Smartsheet, the powerhouse for TM-based project execution. Choose wisely and conquer your data challenges.